BAKWAY Solid PC Sheet is an abrasion-resistant and super toughness polycarbonate sheet designed for architectural structures and a wide range of industrial protection applications. Typical uses include Soundwalls, architectural skylights, heavy equipment glass, parking canopies, machine guarding, equipment housings, and more. Now, BAKWAY SuperFactory will take you through its production process. High-purity polycarbonate pellets are first thermally dehydrated with hot air before being fed into the preheating system. Through a 15-foot-long heating and propulsion section, the PC material is melted at 280 C along with UV-absorbing agents, ready for extrusion. The molten material is formed into a soft sheet, which is then calendared by massive rollers to achieve a mirror-smooth surface. The sheet passes through a 20-foot-long flat conveyor line for stress release, followed by the application of protective film on both sides. As it moves along the production line, it continues to undergo stress relief and cooling before being cut into 8-foot panels and automatically stacked. A portion of the finished panels are shipped directly to customers' ports, while others are sent to the processing workshop. There, they are coated on one or both sides to achieve abrasion-resistant and super toughness properties. Subsequent processing, including cutting, engraving, polishing, bending, and printing, transforms them into custom specifications tailored to client needs.